Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorial how to hide edge. So as example, I will create a rectangle and then use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to hide edge in these objects, you can go to style, click on edit tab, and then you can click check this edge. So to be automatically hide the edge. You want to hide the profile edge in the bottom here, back of this object, you can check at this profile. So to show again, you can check these two options. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to hide edge. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.